canola day. We ran a little bit yesterday, just enough to open up a hole for the trucks in the field. So yeah, we're gonna be running our first ever crop of canola. If you're enjoying these videos, please hit the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified when new videos are, and thanks for watching. When I tested my corn planter out this spring, apparently I had some seed in the planter still somewhere, so now I'm out here stomping corn plants in the bean field so the beans don't look like crap. This is what the canola field looks like after it's harvested. Some weeds in here too, but oh, there's a spider. Check out that guy. Look at him go. Oh no, there he is. Okay, anyway, you definitely don't want to fall down in this stuff. It'll poke you full of holes for sure. But this is a canola plant, and in here, in these pods, there are tiny little seeds. There's like 15 to 20 of them or so per pod from what I've counted. I'm sure it can be more or less. That just seems to be average for what we're running. To do when sitting here waiting for the combine to get full. Canola harvest is not very fast paced, apparently. Maybe if we had 2 combines going right now it'd be a little better, but at the moment kind of boring. So fly the drone. That shiny 8310 over there mowing brush. Got a nice wax job this winter. Excuse my hiccups. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good, Bill. Grab our handle. Oh, wrong side. Open this up so the canola starts coming out. All like yo. Get our sample canola. All right, ready to go. Load the hopper. Load cell and strike it off. Hit enter and we'll see what we get. Do 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 do. 8.9. Nice. That's a good moisture. The thing with canola seed too is that it's so small, you end up finding where your leaks and stuff are in your bin system. Apparently it's coming out of somewhere. Some right there. A bunch right there. We already found where it's coming from here. Put some tape on it. Okay, we are in the home stretch of canola now. Only about 40 acres left to go. Probably could have got it finished up last night, but the dew was starting to set in and things were getting a little tough. So just decided to shut it down, finish it up this morning, and yeah, we should be done with canola pretty soon, and then on to wheat harvest. That is a wrap on the canola. Time to get into the wheat field. What do we have in here? Oh, drone delivery. What's over here? Another Lexion. Except this one's different colors. They introduced the green and red color scheme last year. It is almost 11 o'clock. Got a few more rounds left in this wheat field to go, and it'll be done. Rain looks like it's, I don't know, 50 miles out or something like that, so it's pretty slow going. Combines had to slow down because the wheat's getting tough to thrash, so hopefully we get done before it starts raining, but I think we will. Oh, yeah. A lot of coffee. Would you look at that? It actually rained when they said it was gonna. Rain got it a little bit cleaner. Still pretty dirty. Got almost 4/10 of rain last night. That'll shut the wheat harvest down for today. And if it stays humid, probably won't be able to run tomorrow. Sun comes out and gets dry, then we might be able to go tomorrow afternoon. But right now we're headed stuff home, back to the barn. Probably give this a quick bath so she's not so dirty next time we head out.